video, I'm going to teach you how to make transparent text in a Google Slides presentation. This is a very handy trick if you want to create a clean, modern, and visually appealing slide with text that blends seamlessly into your background. Whether you're presenting in a classroom, sharing ideas with colleagues, or presenting online in a virtual setting, mastering this simple technique can give your slides a polished and professional look while keeping your audience focused on the content. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Slides homepage. If you are not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account. This is a crucial step because your work will automatically save to Google Drive, allowing you to access and edit your presentations from anywhere at any time. Once logged in, you'll be on the Google Slides homepage where you have the choice of starting a blank presentation from scratch or selecting a template that provides a pre-designed layout. Templates can save time and give your slides a structured appearance, while starting with a blank slide gives you complete control over the design. Choose the option that best fits your project. Once your presentation is open, it's time to add the text you want to make transparent. Click on an existing text box or create a new one using the text box tool in the toolbar. Carefully type in your heading, title, or message that you want to apply the transparent effect to. Now that your text is in place, the next step is to adjust its fill color. Navigate to the toolbar at the top of your screen and locate the fill color icon, which looks like a paint bucket. Click on it to open the color palette. Instead of selecting a standard color, choose the transparent option. This will remove the fill from your text box, allowing the background, whether it's an image, gradient, or color, to show through. This creates a sophisticated, transparent text effect, giving your slides a modern and stylish look. If the result doesn't look perfect at first, you can always revisit the fill color options or experiment with different background colors and images to find the ideal combination. The beauty of this method is that it allows for flexibility and creativity while maintaining a professional appearance. And there you have it. You've successfully created transparent text in Google Slides. With this technique, your slides will stand out, look clean, and integrate seamlessly with your design. From here, you can continue building the rest of your presentation, combining transparent text with other elements like images, shapes, and additional text to create a cohesive and visually engaging slide deck. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.